Down in the valley, valley so low, bring your head over, hear the wind blow. Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. We are going to check out Down in the Valley today. To play this song, we just need two chords, C and G. Let's do it. Ukulele Wine Time. If you need a deeper dive into how to play these chords, C and G, check out this video. I show you finger numbers, where to put your fingers, talk about the strings and the frets. So definitely check that out if you need a quick chord review before diving in. So in this video, I'm going to do a slow walkthrough of where the chords line up with the lyrics. We'll put that together. I will show you how to count this song. Our song's actually in 3, so I'll tell you more about what that means. We'll level up. I'll give you some strumming pattern options if you're ready to level up. We'll talk starting pitch, so if you're singing this song at home, you'll know where to start, and then we'll do the whole song together. How's that sound? By the way, this is part of my kids song series where I've put together a whole playlist of songs just like this one with very easy chords, just using C and G or C, F, and G. Perfect for ukulele beginners, or if you're wanting to play more music with and for your kids, or if you're a singer wanting to learn on strumming, wanting to work on strumming while playing. So check that out in this playlist, and there's also a PDF book below where you can print out all the chord sheets. It's awesome because I've bolded the lyrics so you can see which lyric, which word lines up with the chord. Okay, let's jump in to lining up the chords with the lyrics on that note. So we are in the key of C for this song, and I actually like to start the song on a little, it kind of has a little pickup going in it, down in the valley. So, and playing that G before valley, so on the word valley, we're landing on a C chord, and that's kind of our home base. The G chord before that helps get the key in your ear. It's a nice little mini intro. So let's try that. So it's just gonna be down in the valley. So on down, we're doing G, and then valley, we're doing C. And then to finish out that line, valley so low, on the word low, we're back to G. So let's just try that first line all together. Okay, here's our G chord, ready? Down in the valley, valley so low. Okay, and then we stay on that G, and you can play it again on the word over. Hang your head over, hear the wind blow. On blow, we're back to C, and then we stay on C for lining up with the word blow again. Hear the wind blow, dear. Hear the wind blow. Now we're to G on that next word, blow. And then we stay on G for the word over. Hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. Back to C. So we're just switching back and forth, C and G, pretty much the whole time. Those are only 2 chords. So let's put that all together, nice and slow. So we'll start with our G chord on down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Down in the valley, valley so low. Hang your head over, hear the wind blow. Hear the wind blow, dear. Hear the wind blow. Hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. All right, so that's our basic way to play this song with just simple downstrokes on those chords. Let's talk a little bit about counting before we do our level up with strumming. So we're feeling this in 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, right, so, and I added some more strokes in there just so you could feel the counting. And if you're ready to do that, that's perfect. You can add in those extra strokes. On that note of adding those extra strums in there when you feel them, first of all, I give you permission to do that. If you're feeling it, do it. That just means you are starting to think and hear like a musician, and there's no right way to play this. I'm just giving you suggestions. So this isn't like the way you have to play it. So you can mix and match these strumming patterns wherever you're feeling that beat. So we can do down in the valley, valley so low, 2, 3, 2, 3, hang head oh. So you can add more downstrokes in. That was the kind of the playthrough we just did. A level up from there. So I'm going to give you this level up and then one more beyond that with a little more rhythm. So would be to actually play downstrokes on all of those heartbeats or beats of the song. So on all the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down in the valley, 2, 3, valley so low, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, 1, 2, 3, hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow, 1, 2, 3, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. To add a little more rhythm to your song. Also, great way to keep that counting, to keep that pulse going. Okay, think we need a little wine break. By the way, if you're new here, my name's Catherine. Hi. This is Ukulele Wine Time. So it's ukulele for beginners, and if you want, you can drink wine while you're doing it. Cheers to you for being here. I'm so happy you're here. And also, if you're finding this video helpful, I hope you'll click the like button below or cheers the like button below. And please subscribe to my channel for more great resources and tutorials for beginner ukulele players. It's time to level up our strumming for this song if you're ready. So we're going to take that last strumming pattern we did where we were doing 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to add a 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. So that's the counting if you want down, 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 up, down. So let's hang out here for a second, just on a C chord. Down, 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 up, down. All right, we'll try the whole thing in just a second. Before we do that, let's talk about starting pitch. So we are in the key of C. So that's our C string here, and it goes along with our C chord. That's our home bass. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are starting on, so this goes with that G chord. Down in the valley. And that down is a G below our do, do, ti, la, so. Down in the valley. And so down is a G, down in. So the word in is actually a C. So we've got down in, G, C, or so, do, or 5, 1. Just a couple different musical ways to look at it. So we've got down in the valley. So I'm playing my open strings there. So in is your open C string, which is the second one down. In the, and then valley is your open E string. Valley, just to help you get in the neighborhood of the starting pitch if you have trouble finding that. We're now ready to do the whole song. I'm going to do the down, 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 up, down, down strumming pattern. If you want to try that with me, or if you just want to do the more simpler one, that's up to you as well. So feel free. Let's find our starting pitch. Down in the valley. Here we go. I'll give you 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Down in the valley, valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. All right, and you can take that a little faster if you'd like. Down in the valley, valley so low. If you want to speed it up a little bit, feel free to mix and match those strumming patterns as you see fit. Starting to make some creative musical decisions there if you like. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed learning Down in the Valley with me today. Check out the rest of this playlist for more songs like this one in my Easy Kid Song series. And again, cheers to you. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Ukulele wine time.